everybody!
Grab that chicken.
It is crazy here. Today we are gonna Christmas. I mean not Christmas Eve. New Year's Eve. Today we're gonna be setting off some random fireworks. If you can't tell, we're setting off some chickens. Hurry, go, 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 go. Go, take it, take it, take it, take it. Oh my god, that was so loud.
Grab another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go outside to get a better
Okay.
view.
You can go outside.
Man, I saw this light. Oh god, I thought someone was in the backyard for a second.
Why?
I saw my shadow and I thought that was some guy in a black coat, a black cloak.
It's not good.
Freaking scared me.
It was you.
Yes, it turned out to be me all along. Oh.
Watch out, Nick's gonna shoot towards you. Back up.
Well, that made real.
It's so freaking loud. It's hurting my ears.
Yeah, and then the chicken.
Dad, actually set it down.
Okay.
Good idea, I'm sure.
Okay. Here we are, guys. Why are you seeing it in that direction? To the
So it
house.
doesn't shoot in towards the house.
You're shooting it towards the house.
No, it shoots out the back of the chicken.
Oh.
The chicken's moving.
Alright, this thing stinks.
Back out, Nate. Oh. Oh.
What the heck are these things supposed to do? Dad, what are these things supposed to do anyways?
Well, they don't all work the way.
Are they like supposed to lay an egg or something? Aren't they supposed to lay an egg?
That's what the colored stuff is. But
Then
they
these
don't work
things-
every time, do
Then
they?
these things suck.
Wait, it's supposed to be.
Then these things suck.
Hold on.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, those are eggs? Those are eggs?
They're tiny.
Supposed to be.
They look nothing like eggs.
Yeah, they look like Megs.
Oh gosh, something smells out here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's people setting off fireworks in the distance.
Go, chicken. Oh, those are the eggs.
Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god, it exploded. Look at all the smoke. I'm sorry you guys can't see this, but there's like a bunch of smoke right now. Man, that one was so good. There's fireworks in the background.
Is raining?
Nope, that one kind of
Ah,
was
that one sucked.
Wait, that one's head was off.
See if we can get some fireworks.
Nick, that one's head was burst off.
Which one's head?
This one.
Hey, get back in here. Dude.
Yeah, its head literally, it exploded. You
Oh, watch out, Nick. Back up. Back up.
the crap.
Watch out.
The crap. Don't throw them at me.
I didn't throw them at you.
Oh my god, that exploded right in my ear, you guys. Oh my god, I thought you were lighting up the chicken.
Hand over there.
I thought you were lighting up the freaking chicken. That sounded like a gunshot. Literally, that last one exploded right in front of me.
Oh,
That was scary. I was like, oh god, it's coming for me. And I was like, how is the chicken rolling?
Come on, Zoe.
Oh, Dad,
Yeah.
was the thing that exploded the chicken or one of those things?
It was one of these.
Oh. I thought it was like, oh my god, the chicken exploded.
Oh, there's another one.
it's not good. Ew, that one worked good.
Oh my god, look at all the smoke. Ah! Look at all that smoke.
There's enough chicken.
Oh, it actually smells like,
You don't want to do it?
it smells like some sort of chocolate.
Okay.
Smells like some sort of chocolate. And landed right on the bat.
Really, Dad? Oh, these are.
Still tons of. There's a boatload of smoke right now.
I thought you do them.
I don't really like y'all doing them. The weight parts are really quick and these can hurt.
Oh God.
Dud.
Dud.
That's a duty.
That thing was a dud.
No, it wasn't duty.
Oh, I need another one.
Oh my God.
I think it exploded. I think the other one. I think it hit. It made the other one explode.
Nah. Oh, that one was loud.
Yeah, they sound like gunshots.
Dad, no.
Oh, Dad, you have an amber on your pants.
A what? Oh, yep.
That was funny.
Yeah, can I light one of the chickens?
There's only one left and she wants to save it.
Oh, okay. Can I light one of those?
These burn really quick. I would prefer y'all not touch these.
Oh, so I don't get to light anything?
No, it's sparkler.
What? Okay. I'll light one of those. Man, that... Yeah, remember one of these being a dud? Yeah, that one sucks. Come here.
I'm a girlie.
You gotta do this outside.
I know. Here, you. Hold this for me. Wait, I have to use the lighter?
Yeah, why?
Oh.
Well, here, you want me to light it for you?
Yeah, sure. Which side do we do?
Come here.
Because I don't really want to use a lighter.
Hold it out straight. These were really hard to light, if I recall, from last year.
I think it's the wind.
That may not even work
The
anymore.
heck?
I think it's the wind. Oh, fun. Come along, not everyone.
Oh, unless I'm holding the wrong side.
No, you're not. Here. Let me see it.
The heck? I'm holding the wrong side, I think.
Watch out, Zoe.
Whoa.
These things are useless.
Whoa.
They may not work, dude.
Yeah, well.
It's possible.
I think all those are duds now.
Yeesh.
Whoa!
Hold at the
Here,
bottom.
hold my phone. There you guys.
Whoa, Daddy.
Doesn't it look like something you'd see in a cartoon?
Yeah.
Whoa, I can see it from here.
Ow.
Twirl it like spaghetti.
And that's it.
Ooh, I
Just throw it on the ground for now. Come out here.
Die!
Do it over there. Don't waste that glue. What do you want?
Whoa! Whoa!
Come here, Zoe.
That had a light green to it.
At the very bottom right here.
Whoa!
Careful with it. Keep it outside.
I have to go.
What are you doing this? Oh, it's gone. Just throw it on the ground. Don't touch it. It's hot.
Okay.
There. Let's do another one of these. Daddy, you try.
Here, we'll do 3 of them.
Ooh!
3 of them at a time, Daddy.
3 of them at once. This is gonna be good
Maybe.
if they work. Gotta get all of them close.
I'm killing these chickens. What? What's wrong with killing chickens?
That's animal abuse.
They're dead anyways. What's wrong with killing
So
dead?
get inside.
But I want to kill the chickens.
Well, I told you.
That sounds
you can't
wrong.
Be out here.
What's wrong with killing chickens?
Get inside.
These are a bit come out. Daddy.
I'm working on it.
Oh crap!
I don't like these.
Oh god, that's scary.
They burn really fast and they're hard to
Dad,
light.
twirl them. They make some little things.
Oh. No!
Whoa.
She wrote.
Here, I'm gonna step on it.
Kill the chicken.
No, not the chickens. There's still an amber right there. Die! I'm gonna kill the amber. Oh, you're lighting one of those again?
Man, that one was loud.
I know!
I will do one more and we'll come back in for a bit.
No! I want to do a
Oh yeah, after this one, we're gonna do a science experiment
Yeah, we're
video.
gonna do the science experiment.
Yeah, we're gonna do a science. We're gonna do a science video. Light it. Got it! Yeah,
Alright, come on.
yeah. That first one we did exploded right in my
Okay,
ear.
guys, that's where you do the science experiment.
That one was loud.
That was so loud, you guys.